Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're the owner and you have the account credentials. Start now. On the device, open Settings and go straight to the Account section, Apple ID or Google. Once there, locate Find My or Find My device and attempt to toggle it off. You will be prompted for your account password or a two-factor code. Enter those credentials to authorize unlinking. Doing this removes the activation lock and allows a factory reset. Make sure the device stays online while you complete this step. Once you've started, continue by confirming removal from the account itself. If you have the device, turn off Find My and Follow prompts to authenticate. If you don't, sign into iCloud. or your Google account on a computer, go to Devices, select the device and choose Remove. This severs the link without trying to bypass protections. Make sure to remove the device only after you're signed in and authorized, otherwise the lock remains. After removal, allow a few minutes and complete the process by verifying the device no longer appears in your account, then perform a factory reset if needed. This ensures personal data is erased. If you cannot disable Find My because you lack credentials, do not attempt workarounds. Instead, gather proof of ownership, receipt, serial number, original box, and contact Apple or Google support for verified removal. If the device still shows linked after removal attempts, sign out, reboot, and check account status again. Contacting support with your documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.